Hey, good morning, astronomy students. It is Wednesday. We will not be meeting today, but you do have some items to take a look at. So I created a little video just to show you what you need to do. So we're here at the astronomy homepage. First of all, you need to do attendance today, so make sure you do that. So we're inside week one. We are on day 2, and there's a daily attendance sheet. Okay? So inside the week 1 folder, day 2, because that's Wednesday, there's an attendance link. Click that. First name, last name, is a period 4, and today's date. Next, you need to do a quick review if needed. If you don't need to, you don't need to, but just make sure you've done everything. Yesterday we had an APOD journal. Most of you are probably done with that, but if not, go back in, do just yesterday's APOD. Then you could do your astronomy survey. If you didn't finish up on this astronomy survey, please do that. And the last item that we worked on yesterday was the Focus on Me intro presentation. So make sure that is done and finished up your slide on that presentation. Take a look at some of your classmates as well. Just the reason we did this is to get to know each other. So take a look at that. Then your assignment today, again, make sure you take attendance just once. But there are 3, actually before we do that, I want you to review some of these items up top. So there's student family help resources. So if you open up these links, there's some frequently answered questions, how to do your best with online learning. And then this folder has lots of information. There's stuff about Tartan. There's things to help students, some helpful videos, things to help out parents and guardians. If you're struggling with your Chromebook, lots of links there. So there's lots of good information for you to take a look at. Just sort of peruse some of that. I'm definitely not saying look at all those, but I want you to understand that they are there. Next, you've got course information. I think this is actually the same link as up there, so I'm just going to actually take this out. And what you need to do is take a look at the online textbook. I think I showed it to you yesterday, but just sort of take a look again so you know what you're doing. Take a look at the astronomy syllabus for sure. If you do have questions in the course, I'll put a discussion in there. Remember, we do not meet today. We will meet tomorrow. No, just kidding. We'll meet on Friday. Don't come to the Zoom meeting because it will not be active. But then your other assignments. So I'm in week 1. I'm in day 2. There are 3 links that I put. There's the Star Atlas, In the Sky Star Map, and the Your Sky Map, which is really good to use with a phone. I want you to take a look at those 3 links. They're all sort of virtual maps of constellations, and they show where planets are, and it's a really good way to see what's out there. In the Twin Cities, we're sort of on, we have a lot of light pollution, and so you can't see everything because there's too much light. So by using these, you can actually see everything that's there. So check those 3 out: Star Atlas, In the Sky Star Map, and Your Sky Star Map. And then this one right here, this blue puzzle piece, Virtual Star Map Exploration Review. That is a 1 question, quick little assignment that you need to get done today. Make sure you submit that. As always, if you have any questions at all, please send me an email. My Google Voice number is also in the teacher contact. I'm going to make sure I throw that teacher contact in there if it's not in there, but let me know. All right. We will see you all on Friday. Have a great day.